Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Quick 3 2020 model year. A fitness bike that's equally perfect for city cruising or getting a workout. Plus it's easy on the eyes. This bike equipped with a SmartForm C3 Alloy frame and reliable fork full carbon. And Shimano Altus high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Tektro hydraulic disc. Cannondale Quick 3 equipped with good tires Schwalbe Spicer. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.